and the deconstruction begins. Taking out my top shelf up here where the power strip is and the LED light. The reason I'm taking all this down is because, as you can see, I didn't put any Reflectix on these windows. I was in such a hurry. So now I gotta come back and do it right. I'm gonna have to trim the back edge here a little bit because I'm thinking about putting maybe some foam in there, some 1/2 inch foam also. So I'll be taking this whole top section out. The bottom will stay. Then I'll be taking off this frame, sanding it, clear coating it, and doing the same down here. I'm going to do a new top. I'm going to replace that utensil holder. It's just too big and too heavy. I'm just going to do a smaller one. This is all the stuff I learned last year when I was out on the road. Things to do. So the deconstruction starts. Fun, fun, fun. Check back. One of the minor drawbacks of building everything in place is sometimes you got to take it out through the window because it's too big to go around the corner by the door. So since all this was built in place, I just can't make this corner. So it's going out the window. Got the top section out now and reinforcing it. I just used basically nails with a nail gun to put it together. So now I'm adding some screws. I had a couple little sections give way, like that little piece back there, and this front piece came loose on the back side. Up under there came loose with all the banging and beating and everything. So now I'm putting it all back together, little by little. Then I'll get this back in there, and depending on the time of day, I'll get everything else done. Then I may sand this and clear coat it, put the first coat of clear coat on it. You can't see here, but over here are all my doors ready to go back on. They're all ready to go. I'm gonna sand the other side of that, put another couple coats of clear on that. So I'm getting there. Now, this right here is the sliding door that holds my refrigerator freezer, and because I have all that insulation on it, it has a tendency to sweat a little bit. So I put 4 coats of polyurethane on here. That should stop it from attacking the wood. Oh, it's hot today, but I gotta keep going. I want to get this done so I can get some video content from around Wilmington. All right, check back in.